October 14th, 2000. Inars Sports Center, Philippines. Thousands packed the arena to watch their hero, 21-year-old Manny Pacquiao, defend his regional WBC superflyweight title. Standing across from him was Nidal "Skinny" Hussein, a 22-year-old Lebanese-Australian with a perfect 19-0 record and a reputation for dirty fighting. Hussein came to destroy the local star. Taller, more powerful, and unafraid to fight dirty, he thrived on being the villain. The crowd booed him. He smiled back, feeding off their hatred.
You were already given instructions in your technical. Any question? Touch glove. Back to your post.
No, kasama yung kapatid niya, si Jose Padilla Jr., yung si Pempe Padilla.
Pacquiao exploded from the opening bell, unleashing furious combinations that had Hussein retreating. The Filipino torpedo was in full control until lightning struck.
Pacquiao, less than 66 inches. Pacquiao now trying to move inside.
Sa katawan, umaatake ito si Manny Pacquiao. Hindi pa gumaganto ito si Nidal Hussein. And the crowd is in an uproar. Hussein.
Nabubukas naman ang depensa ni Manny Pacquiao. Tinitira niya sa tagiliran. Ito naman si Hussein. Tinig ni Carlos Sani Padilla. Ito na.
Okay, yun na. Atake naman yun si Nidal Hussein ng Australia. Mga kaibigan, malapit kung talo ito. 19-0 ang kanyang record.
So, partner, ang papatayan natin dito kay Nidal Hussein ay yung right uppercut followed by teasing left straight. Sunod-sunod sa support.
Siguro by Manny Pacquiao. Another left to the face by Manny Pacquiao. A right by Pacquiao. And a left. Medyo mabagal yata ang reaction ito si Nidal Hussein. A right by Hussein to the face of Manny Pacquiao.
And you notice he always likes to put combinations together. Ito si Manny Pacquiao. Looking upstairs, looking downstairs.
Lumulusot yung mga sintok ngayon ni Manny Pacquiao. Bagaman nakaputlo itong si Hussein. Ayan, pinipapag ko ni Manny Pacquiao ang mukha nito si Nidal Hussein. Dito pa lang sa round number 1. Manny Pacquiao going all out in round number 1.
Pero partner, ang sabi sa atin ni Jeff Fenech, even if you use an axe to drop Nidal Hussein, titindig yan. Sabi niya, he's used to hard punishment.
Nidal Hussein has been taking some severe punishment here from Manny Pacquiao. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin sa pag-atake si Manny Pacquiao. Good left, however, there by Nidal Hussein to keep him at bay. Sunod-sunod yan.
Iba talaga yung reach ni Hussein, partner. No, he's got Manny Pacquiao at bay.
Last 10 seconds of the first round. Tuloy po yan.
Scheduled for 12 ito, partner. Kung importante dito, pacing. Just in case tumagal itong laban na ito. Alam mo, partner, napapansin natin dito the power.
Kabit-kabit ang suntok ni Manny Pacquiao, mga kaibigan. At minsan napapatigil ito sa Nidal Hussein kapag nag-uupisa na si Manny Pacquiao. Hinihintay niya. Hindi siya maka-counter pass. Marami ko ang i-score ito si Manny Pacquiao.
And he leaves himself open to counters.
Ayan, medyo malamya yung dating na yun ni Manny Pacquiao. But now, he leads on with his right. There's a good left. Pinupupog po ito si Nidal Hussein.
Alam mo, partner, ang feeling ko dito, parang niro-rope pa to ni Hussein ito sa Pacquiao. Baka pinapasok lang niya. Sabi nga niya sa dyaryo, sinabi din sa atin ni Jeff Fenech, that Hussein intends to have this last and go the distance.
Right left by Manny Pacquiao and right here by Hussein.
Tama na magandang kanan niya si Hussein. Smack on the face of Manny Pacquiao.
Against Manny Pacquiao.
Alam mo, partner, mukha yata nasaktan si Manny. Kanina, doon sa kanilang palitan, you see him uncharacteristically moving around using lateral movement. Parang umiiwas dito si Manny.
A good left to the bread basket by Manny Pacquiao. Now leading off with his right. Good right to the head by Manny. Sa katawan naman si Hussein and a right to the face by Nidal Hussein. stand-up ba?
At this stage, no?
Sa first round, nakita natin talaga lumusot. Ayun, lumusot yun. Right and left.
And again, si Manny Pacquiao, he just covers up.
Manipis itong si Nadal Hussein. Pero so far, parang kinakaya niya yung mga
Si Manny Pacquiao, ito. Nakatintig pa ito si Hussein, and we have a scouting report from Nadal Hussein as awkward and dirty.
Gano'n, ha? Dirty.
Well, that was the...
Left yun. Uppercut by Manny Pacquiao.
Ngayon, Aaron's report. Ang kapatid na si Hussein, a bantamweight defeated contender. Si Hussein, at dapat mag-iingat ito si Manny Pacquiao. Marami pinapakitang
Mga gimmick.
irregular.
Alright, Manny Pacquiao trying to circle Nadal Hussein.
I think, palagay ko, sinabi ni Carlos Hani Padilla, tama na yung mga tactics na gano'n. Basta, laban lang.
It was scheduled for 12. Manny Pacquiao, the champion. Nadal Hussein of Australia, the challenger.
Ang gambit nitong Nadal Hussein, partner, patagalin itong laban na ito. Alam niya, si Manny Pacquiao in the last 2 fights, nag-average lang siya about 2.5 rounds each.
Oo. Eh, tinatapos na agad ni Manny. Alam natin na gustong-gusto balik ni Manny yung kanyang corona, yung world crown niya no, sa WBC, yung regular ng WBC. Nawala sa kanya dito sa Thailand. Nawala sa kanya actually even before he went up the ring.
Oh, ang daming ginagawang tactics ito si Hussein and sa Padilla.
Early in the 4th round, Hussein landed a devastating left cross to Pacquiao's jaw. Down went Manny.
Pero he has an advantage.
Tinamaan yun! That was a punch! Bumagsak si Manny! Ayan, bumagsak po si Manny Pacquiao.
The arena fell silent as their hero lay motionless on his back. Hussein celebrated prematurely while the referee counted. At 8, Pacquiao rose, blood in his eyes, fury in his heart.
Hilo si Manny Pacquiao.
Hussein rushed to finish him. Manny barely survived, clinching desperately. Frustrated, Hussein threw an illegal elbow to the back of Pacquiao's head. The crowd erupted. The referee deducted a point.
Wala si Manny.
Ayan, lumayakap si Manny Pacquiao, pero nire-rest rin siya nitong si Nadal Hussein. At sila gamitin ng siko. Ito, siko, yung siko. Yung siko.
And Nadal Hussein throwing an elbow and a forearm.
1-point deduction.
Now be given a 1-point deduction.
Nagreklamo si Jeff Fenech.
Be time for Manny Pacquiao to recover.
Oh, good right by Nadal Hussein. Manny Pacquiao backing up.
Sabi nga natin, partner, mabigat sumuntok ito si Nadal Hussein.
Bumagsak po si Manny Pacquiao dito sa round ito. Big punch by Nadal Hussein.
And partner,
Ito, hinahabol po ni Nadal.
pero partner, nabigyan ng, again, the shoulder. Gumagabit ang shoulder at saka Hussein.
There's a right by Manny Pacquiao.
At tapos may ulo pa.
Ay, di ulo.
Nadal Hussein, a dirty fighter.
Ginagamit po na Nadal Hussein lahat ng klase ng gimmick dito, no? Pero yung knockdown, mga kaibigan, that was a clear punch. Round number 4.
Pero mukha yata naka-recover na si Manny.
Medyo naka-recover niya. Kanina, hilong-hilo yan si Manny Pacquiao. Mga gimmick na ginagawa nito si Nadal Hussein. Kaya nakapagpahinga si Manny Pacquiao eh. Nung wina-warning na siya, tinanggalan siya ng 1 point ni Carlos Padilla. Referee Carlos
Between
Padilla.
rounds, something changed in Pacquiao's corner. The scared boy was gone. In his place stood a predator with ice-cold eyes. The fight became a war. Both men abandoned boxing for brutal street fighting. Hussein continued his dirty tactics. Kidney shots in the clinch, rabbit punches, cheap shots after break commands. But Pacquiao had awakened his own darkness.
Ito, si Manny Pacquiao, mga kaibigan, has Nadal Hussein on the ropes.
Pero may tactic din si Hussein to play crossing, to play rope a rope. Pagurin niya si Manny Pacquiao.
Nagpapasuntok ito si
Hussein. Partner, mag-ingat lang si Manny sa kanyang depensa because bububo ka agad yung depensa. Susunod ito para kay Manny Pacquiao. Ito
good
naman.
right. Kaibigan, bumagsak po si Manny Pacquiao in round number 4.
Ito, magandang recovery ito para kay Manny Pacquiao. Pero hindi natin malaman.
There's a big right naman by Nadal Hussein.
you also wonder, partner, kung yung foul.
Oy, maganda yun. Yung tikada sa kagawan. Maring mahina rin ng bigay ganito si Hussein.
Parang ganun nga nakikita natin.
Oh.
Napapahin ko sa suntukan ito si Jose.
Oh. Pero ayun na naman.
Bumalik na naman ito si Jose.
Manny Pacquiao. Pero bumalik si Jose. With his own left.
Tumama yun, partner.
Yeah. Pero ito ang aggressiveness. Oh, left, right by Nadal.
Parang nakikita natin, he is just trying his time.
Left, right by Hussein.
In a very lean frame. Ano mga counter.
Pagbuhin yung good left there by Hussein.
Big action, partner.
Oh.
Smack on the side of the face of Manny Pacquiao.
Yung kaliwa na delikado din si Hussein. Pag binatawan niya, may lutong. Here's Manny. Ano naman yung Pacquiao? Ito. Matibay eh. Hindi nagbabago yung expression. There's a right by Hussein. And a right by Manny.
Muntik nang matamaan din si Carlos Padilla. Baka siya manaktan dito.
Hussein. Manny Pacquiao.
By the second half, Pacquiao was methodically breaking his opponent. If Manny had shocked his opponent with his speed early on, now he was breaking him down methodically, as if paying him back for every moment of pain he'd felt. Round after round, the hometown hero slowly took control of the fight.
Never have I seen a fighter as dirty as Nadal Hussein.
And so blatantly in a championship fight. At dito sa hindi niya teritoryo. Ano ba ito?
That was an apt description indeed.
Mukhang tama-tama yung scouting report niya. Meanwhile, Manny Pacquiao still trying to... Oh, good right by Manny. Medyo natigil dito si Hussein. Ayun, kaliwa. Ngayon, layakap ko expression sa mukha ni Hussein. No, kanina, kahit tinatamaan siya, hindi babago yung expression sa mukha ni Nadal Hussein. At saka during that clinch, nakita ko, kumindat siya doon sa kanyang corner. I don't know what that meant.
Ano naman, gumamit na naman ng siko.
Oo. Manny Pacquiao. In its last 10 seconds.
Ito, walang halos.
Manny Pacquiao certainly.
Pacquiao knocked out Chuck Scheisse sa goal for the WBC Flyweight Championship. Depende, halos wala siyang ginawa. Parang conserve his energy. Ngayon, umatake si Hussein. You see it in his eyes, partner, no? Dapat boxing muna ni Manny Pacquiao ito. Ito naman yung left jab galing kay Hussein, and he transforms that immediately into a left straight.
Manny Pacquiao trying to fight in close range.
Strategy for Manny Pacquiao. Alam natin na yung mga malos punches.
Ay uppercut ng si Hussein. Nakatakot niya sa mga niya. Ito, Manny Pacquiao. At bobbing and weaving. Bagamat nakikita natin, marunong talaga ito sa Nadal Hussein. Matibay rin. So, Bigaw, kailangan mag-ingat dito si Manny Pacquiao. He's got to keep his focus here. Traffic na. Sa katawan naman ngayon, makasaki ito sa Nadal Hussein.
And again, at hindi na bibigyan ng point deduction, ano? Hussein.
Kanina, tinuwagan siya. Binigyan siya 1 point in the fourth round. So, last one. But a good right by Hussein. Ito, nagpapalitan yung dalawa.
By the end of the 8th round, Hussein's face became a bloody mask of cuts and swellings. In one exchange, their heads clashed, opening a deep gash on Hussein's cheek. Blood poured into his eyes, but neither fighter wanted to stop. This wasn't boxing anymore. This was a test of wills.
With 11 KOs, good right-left combination by Manny Pacquiao. Sinusukin ni Manny Pacquiao si Nadal Hussein. He's up against the ropes.
This is the rule na ito si Hussein, partner.
Nadala si Hussein.
Is evident. sa kanyang record with 7 first-round knockouts.
7 first-round knockouts, ha?
Alam mo, partner, dapat siguro si referee Sunny Padilla itigil muna itong laban at tawagin yung ringside position. Baka dapat itigil na ito.
Dugo na yan, eh.
At sabi ni Jose, eto.
Yun, eh.
Kung anong klase boxing ang pinapakita nitong Hussein na ito.
Yan na naman!
Oh my gosh! Ano yan? Walang warning!
Off the break!
Oh my gosh! Carlos Padilla! Where are you?
Lumusugod na naman si Nadal Hussein.
And I guess this, and I cannot understand kung bakit hindi ka pinatawag si referee Padilla after ringside position. Pero naman,
Dinidingin na naman ni Hussein sa lubid si Manny Pacquiao. This is round number 9. Good right by Manny Pacquiao. Yung pa rin napupunti rin niya, yung putok yung sa kaliwang kilay ni Nadal Hussein. And there's the bell. Sumuntok na naman! Sumuntok na naman 2 beses si Hussein after the bell. At pinambabag...
Round 10 brought the climax. Pacquiao, sensing victory, showed no mercy. He trapped Hussein against the ropes, unleashing relentless combinations.
Sumuntok pa ng 2 beses ito si Nadal Hussein.
and emotion will get the better of you and you will lose your head.
Good right by Manny. Good right by Manny Pacquiao. Anong pa rin? Kaya sinusugod si Manny Pacquiao. Well, just before the bell sounded to start the round. Ito na. Ito na ito. Sinusugod si Manny. Ayos na din na kanina itong si Nadal Hussein. Nag-upisod yung round dito. Kailangan gisilak rin. Back to good right on the left by Manny Pacquiao.
Combination.
Well left by Hussein.
Nakabalik si Hussein kagad.
Right on the left by Manny Pacquiao.
Wala na nga itong laban ng pinapakita natin. Except that, sabi mo nga, no? The dirty tactics of Hussein marring this contest.
A crushing left hand reopened the cut on Hussein's cheek, turning his face into a crimson mask. The referee stopped the action, bringing in the ring doctor. Pacquiao paced like a caged tiger, desperate to finish his prey. The crowd roared for blood. The doctor took one look at Hussein's mangled face and recommended stopping the fight. The referee waved it off. Technical knockout. Hussein protested wildly, claiming he could continue. But it was over. Pacquiao climbed the ropes, raised his fists, and roared in triumph.
Everybody now standing up.
Ano ba magiging kainatan nito, Pinito?
This brutal war became legendary in Pacquiao's early career. He was ahead on all 3 scorecards, but the numbers didn't matter. What mattered was how he won, showing he could fight with ruthless determination when pushed to his limits. Years later, referee Carlos Padilla admitted he gave Pacquiao extra seconds to recover from the knockdown.
Manny got knocked down. I thought he's going to get up because his eye is like a cross iron. Because I'm a Filipino and everybody's Filipino watching the fight. So I prolonged the count. You know, I know how to do it. And when he get up, I still am. Hey, are you okay? And that's prolonging the fight.
But in that moment, none of it mattered. The world had witnessed Manny Pacquiao's transformation from promising prospect to relentless warrior. Through pain, fear, and fury, he found something special inside himself.
National Junior Featherweight Champion, Manny Pacquiao!
Ayan po mga kaibigan.